Hello guys, my name is Ndadzingwa and we are here in Caribbean. I just want to show you the house that we are living in. This is the kitchen. This is a self-catering service, and we also use this microwave, stove, and the toasters, everything as we do home. And we also have this sitting room. I'm here with my grandma and my sister Tinevimbo. You can also take a view here, Kariba Jam, as you can see. And we also have the television, GSTV. We have the bedroom. It's an in-suite bedroom. As you can see, just the bathroom here, the bed with white sheets. And we also have the other bedroom here with a bed. And we also have the air conditioner inside this bedroom. It's also an in-suite bedroom, as you can see. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Much love.